What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the GLB 250 as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying place the key in the marked space, see operator's manual, key not detected. So what I want to do is grab my key fob, and I'm going to come over here to the center console, and in the passenger side cup holder, if we take a look in the bottom, we can see there's that little icon of a key right there. What I'm going to do is grab my key fob and place it in the cup holder over that icon like that. And once the key is sitting on that little icon, we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. Brake, stop start button. And as you might have saw there's just a little bit of a delay after you press the stop start button before it actually starts. But once the vehicle's started, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And the only other thing you'll want to do is to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.